Hey everyone, I just wanted to come on today, a day later than I thought I'd be coming on, to let you guys know a little bit about how you can use your personal Facebook page to let people know what you do, right? So it's against Facebook rules to actually use your Facebook personal page to promote your business directly, like make offers and things like that. But there's some really prime real estate here that I thought it would be important for you guys to use if you're looking to attract more people to your profession, right? So it doesn't matter what you do, but you want to make sure you use the real estate properly. So I'm sharing with you a screen of my own personal page. This is not my business page. This is my personal page. And I want you to notice a couple of things that you can do also. One is you can use your banner to represent a little bit more about what you do. There's also this very cool nickname here that you can use to put a little something to tell people exactly what you do. So for example, I have here nickname. I had put in business coach Nancy, right? So this is where you would put your nickname. And that's a really great way to let people know what you do immediately, right? So if somebody comes across my personal page, they're going to immediately see that I'm a business coach. So if you're a coach of any kind or an online entrepreneur, you can show people quickly, an interior designer, you can put right there under nickname what you do. So one is to use the banner to kind of drive a little bit about what you do. You could put something about your business. You could put a picture of a room you've done if you're an interior designer, if you're a coach, some type of inspirational banner. So that's really key. The other thing you want to do is in this intro, it's very limited in its space. I didn't count how many characters, but you have to get really creative here as to how you use this. But you again click on this little pencil and you can change your intro. So mine says I help interior designers and online businesses get more sales and be profitable. So definitely very key to when people come across your personal page, they know right away what you do for a living. Also, you want to put a link to your business Facebook page where you can, this is not a link. This is just a statement of where they can find me. It's not clickable. Nothing in the intro is clickable. But here, you can drive them right to your business Facebook page, which is a great thing to do. I also am a administrator of the Interior Design Society page, so I put that here in addition to many other pages, but that's the one I chose. You also get 5 images that you can put as your highlighted images. So that used to be all personal for me, but now I actually put images that again reinforce what I do, and I want people to know immediately. There's no question right away when someone hits my personal page. So if I'm in a group, in a local group, or in a national group, and I'm making comments, and people happen to click on my name and see who I am, they are going to immediately see that I'm a business coach. In addition, this little pencil right here is also fabulous. This is where you can put, let's see if it comes up for me. This is, where did it not come up the way I expected it to? Hold on. So basically you want to go to the About, and you want to click on every single tab, and you want to fill it in. You want to fill it in as much as possible. Really key real estate here, guys. This is my personal page. This is my maiden name. That's how you can tell it's my personal page. And I just basically click through here, and I fill out as much information as I can fill out. Details about me. And again, you scroll down, your favorite quote, let people know what you're all about. So this is really important to utilize. So what happens when I socialize on other people's pages or in groups as myself, which is the only way you can socialize in groups, you can never socialize in groups as your business page. You can like business pages and comment on other business pages as your business page. And I actually have a YouTube video out on that. I will see if I can find that for you guys and post it here. But I wanted to show you how, if you're not using the banner, the nickname, and have all this stuff filled in, your intro, where you work with a link to your business page. See, this is my business page, Nancy Ganzikoff for Business Coach. If you manage any other pages, you can put them here. And again, make your 5 highlighted images something that people can quickly know what you do. And then you can put in all your social media links. So I hope that was helpful today. Hi, Josie. So if you guys are, no matter what you do, if you're not utilizing your personal page in order to let people know what you do, you could be missing out. Could be missing out on getting some visibility out there, letting your friends know what you do, letting your family know what you do, extended family, because you never know who might need you. So it's really important. Oh, you're welcome. I hope this was helpful. I always shocks me when I go to other people's personal pages and they don't utilize this prime real estate. So as you can see, and I posted in the group as well, my weekend wind down with Nancy will be back next week. This is the first time I'm missing it in 24 weeks, and it's hysterical, but I actually feel a little guilty about it. But I'll be on a train heading for the city with my son to go see a play. He's home from college. So I'm just doing a little scrolling down here. You can see when I changed my banner, and you can change your banner quite often. And the great thing about your banner is when you change it, you can actually put a link behind your banner also, which I don't know if a lot of people know. So when I changed my banner, then I clicked on my banner, and then I wrote, join my private Facebook group. And this URL, actually, I purchased it, and it clicks right to my private group, which you guys are watching from, Actionable Entrepreneurs. But you can use this to say, come join me on my business page, and put a link to your business page. You can say, come check out my website, and put a link to your website. So again, prime real estate here, where you want to be utilizing this in order to let people know how to find you. Thanks, Josie. You'll watch out for my next live. Yeah, I love my weekend wind down, but I knew that I shouldn't do my wind down in order to get on the train and into the city on time. So there's also a couple of lives going on that I think are going to be great around the same time. So I hope you guys go over and enjoy them. I'll be sharing them if I can. And here's my blog that I wrote. So again, I'm not promoting my business directly when I share my blogs on my personal page, but it's really important since I have grown my friends list to 5,000, and I actually, have started to unfriend people who I really haven't had any interaction with forever. So I grew it up to 5,000, which is your max. And then once a week, I kind of go through and I cull it down so that I can friend more people who are definitely interested in what I do directly, people who want to be on my weekend wind down and things like that. So that's the lesson for today.